Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. We know that the most direct way to attract your customers' attention is with a good product image. So today we're going to cover some top tips for capturing the best possible images of your food or products and the what not to do's when it comes to picture taking. Let's first look at what you will need to do this successfully. No big budget Hollywood cameras are required, just a camera phone with a minimum of a 12 megapixel camera and a well lit area with a neutral background. Now let's explore some good image capturing techniques. Here are some top tips for taking photos of your product. If you're using a smartphone to take the picture of your product, make sure your phone is horizontal or in landscape mode rather than vertical or portrait. It leaves more room for potential cropping when uploaded to your online store. We also recommend you take your photo from a 45-degree angle instead of directly above or from eye level. And we also recommend using neutral background colours like whites, creams and greys, and natural light if possible. Now let's look at some of the things to avoid when taking photos of your product. Firstly, too many dishes in one picture. Just have one dish per image to ensure there's no confusion as to what the customer is ordering, unless of course it's a meal or combo deal. Secondly, pixelated images. These can affect how a customer perceives the professionalism of your business. I would suggest having no image over having a poor image, as it can actually have the opposite effect on your customers' purchasing decisions. We recommend an image resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and images can be uploaded in PNG or JPEG format. Thirdly, don't cover your image with text or logos, as it takes the focus away from the product. And finally, take a little extra care when presenting your dishes before you photograph them. Make sure there are no rogue sauces or anything else that may be negatively perceived by your customers. Do note that not every item requires an image, so don't feel under pressure to add an image for everything on your menu, but images certainly help drive sales and can help you highlight items you want to push. I hope you found this video useful and now feel empowered to take great pictures of your product. If you'd like to learn more about how easy it is to upload images to your online menu, please see our content on menu image uploads. And as always, if you need help, you can contact help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video and want to learn more about Flipdish's online ordering platform and how to grow your online business, why not enroll for free in the Flipdish Academy today? We have over 30 courses covering everything from how to change your menu and delivery zones to how to use Instagram and Facebook to drive online sales. The link to enroll for free is in the description of this video below.